Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Acuity scheduling, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you send automated email reminders with Acuity scheduling? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up email automated reminders anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe selling coaching, you know that getting the appointment booked is only part of the process. Getting the client to sign up and actually show up to the appointment is the other part. And sending email reminders can help increase that show up rate. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Acuity scheduling account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Acuity scheduling, and this is the homepage. Now here on the homepage, if you want to send automated email reminders, here on the left side, you're going to click on client email. Okay, before we go any further, I want to let you know, in order for this to work, you have to have the paid plan. You can't be on any kind of free trial. So once you click in there, in order to set up an automated email reminder, here on the left menu, you're going to click here, reminders. Okay, once you do that, you can see by default, Acuity Scheduling is going to have a reminder already set up for 24 hours. So they allow you to send up to 3 reminder emails. So for this first reminder, you want to go ahead and scroll through and then set it up how you want. So for example, I want this to go out 48 hours before the appointment. Next, you can choose who the reminder is going to go to, only to the client or to the client and the admin. For me, just the clients. And then I'm going to click on Save Settings. Okay, down here, you can go ahead and customize the email. Appointment reminder. So we'll just click in here on the subject. Do not miss this appointment or else. Okay. And then here we can go ahead and edit this. So let's see here. Check this out. You will not be sad he joined this meeting. Okay. So now we have reminder 1, and we can go ahead and set up another reminder. So we're going to scroll up to the top, and I'm going to click Save Settings. And then here at the top, we're going to click on Add Extra Email Reminder. Okay, so now it opens up a third reminder. So we have this one right here, 48 hours before. And actually I made a mistake. So let me go ahead and click in here to the second reminder. And the second reminder, let's go ahead and drop this into 24 hours. And then this third one we have set up for 1 hour. So that looks pretty good to me. Okay, so we have the 48 hours set up. Do not miss this appointment or else. And then we're going to click here on the second email reminder. Let's go ahead and customize this. Appointment reminder. Let's change this to, do you have your tacos ready for this show? Okay. And then we're going to click on Save Template. And then here on 1 hour before, let's go ahead and update this one. So we're going to change the email subject to bring your guacamole or else. And I'm going to save settings. Okay, now we have 3 reminder emails set up. We're going to have one go out 48 hours before via email, 24 hours before, and then 1 hour before. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to send automated email reminders in your Acuity scheduling, that's the easy way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.